From the frozen wastelands of Antarctica to the sun-drenched beaches of the Galapagos Islands, join us as we journey to the ends of the earth to meet these remarkable creatures. The penguins. These flightless birds with their tuxedo-like plumage and clumsy, almost comical gait on land, transform into powerful and graceful swimmers in the water. Today we'll explore the lives of these fascinating creatures, delving into the icy depths to uncover their secrets. We'll meet different penguin species, discover their unique habitats, and uncover the interesting facts and fun trivia that make them so captivating. So prepare to be amazed as we embark on this incredible adventure into the amazing world of penguins. Here in the heart of Antarctica, where temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows and icy winds howl across the desolate landscape, we find the emperor penguin, the largest of all penguin species. Standing almost 4 feet tall and weighing up to 90 pounds, these majestic creatures are true marvels of adaptation. As the unforgiving Antarctic winter descends, bringing with it perpetual darkness and temperatures that can reach -76 degrees Fahrenheit, the emperor penguins begin their extraordinary breeding cycle. Unlike other penguin species that seek warmer climates to raise their young, the emperors embrace the harshest conditions on Earth. The females lay a single egg and then embark on a treacherous journey across the ice to reach open water and replenish their reserves, leaving the males behind to incubate the eggs. Huddled together for warmth against the biting wind and relentless blizzards, the male emperors endure a grueling 2-month fast, protecting their precious eggs from the elements. The males huddle together, taking turns to shelter their eggs on their feet and keeping them warm beneath a fold of skin called a brood pouch. This extraordinary display of paternal care is crucial for the survival of their offspring. When the chicks finally hatch, they are covered in a fluffy down that provides insulation but prevents them from entering the water. The parents take turns feeding and caring for their chicks, protecting them from predators like skuas and leopard seals. As the Antarctic summer approaches, bringing with it warmer temperatures and an abundance of food, the chicks grow rapidly. Finally, after months of dedicated care, the young penguins are ready to take their first plunge into the icy waters. The emperor penguin's ability to survive and thrive in the most extreme environment on Earth is a testament to their remarkable resilience and their unwavering commitment to their young. They are a true icon of the Antarctic, a symbol of endurance and the powerful bonds of family in the face of adversity. Our next stop takes us to the subantarctic islands, home to the king penguin, the second largest penguin species. Here, amidst the tussock grass and rocky shores, these regal birds display their vibrant plumage. The king penguins are easily recognizable by the bright orange patches on their cheeks and upper chests, contrasting beautifully with their black heads, grey backs and white underparts. These colourful markings play a crucial role in their courtship rituals. Like their emperor cousins, king penguins have a unique breeding cycle. They raise only one chick at a time, and their breeding cycle can last up to 16 months. The parents share the responsibility of incubating the egg and caring for the chick. After the egg is laid, the parents take turns incubating it on their feet, tucked under a brood pouch. They fast during this period, relying on their body reserves for sustenance. The incubation period lasts for around 55 days. Once the chick hatches, it is fed by both parents, who regurgitate food into its mouth. The chick grows rapidly and develops a thick coat of brown down feathers, providing insulation against the cold. The king penguin chicks form large creches, gathering together for warmth and protection while their parents forage for food at sea. These creches can contain thousands of chicks, creating a cacophony of calls and movement. As the chicks grow older, they begin to molt their down feathers, replacing them with waterproof feathers that allow them to swim. The parents continue to feed and care for their offspring until they are around 14 months old. The king penguin's striking appearance, their dedicated parenting, and their ability to thrive in the harsh subantarctic environment make them a truly remarkable species. Our journey takes us now to the windswept coasts of Antarctica and its surrounding islands, where we encounter the Adelie penguin. These small, dapper penguins with their distinctive black and white plumage are a familiar sight amidst the icebergs and rocky shores. The Adelie penguins are highly social animals, forming large colonies during the breeding season. Their colonies are filled with the sounds of their calls and the sight of penguins constantly on the move. These penguins are perfectly adapted to life in their harsh environment. Their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers make them expert swimmers. They feed primarily on krill, small crustaceans in the Southern Ocean. During the breeding season, Adelie penguins build nests out of small stones. The females lay 2 eggs and both parents share the responsibility of incubation and chick rearing. The Adelie penguin's breeding cycle is synchronized with the availability of food. They arrive at their breeding grounds in the spring when the ice begins to melt and krill become more abundant. The parents take turns incubating the eggs, keeping them warm against the cold ground. They also take turns foraging for food at sea, traveling long distances to find krill. Once the chicks hatch, they are fed by both parents, who regurgitate food into their mouths. The chicks grow rapidly and develop a thick coat of down feathers, providing insulation against the cold. As the chicks grow older, they form creches, gathering together for warmth and protection, while their parents forage for food. The creches are a noisy and chaotic sight, with chicks constantly jostling for position and calling for their parents. Finally, after about 2 months, the chicks are ready to fledge and head out to sea on their own. The Adelie penguin's ability to thrive in the harsh Antarctic environment is a testament to their adaptability, their social nature, and their unwavering commitment to their young. Our penguin adventure now takes us to a slightly warmer climate, the subantarctic islands and the Antarctic Peninsula, where we encounter the Gentoo penguin. These sleek, agile birds are easily recognizable by the white bonnet-like stripe across their heads. Gentoo penguins are highly adapted to life in and out of the water. Their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers make them incredibly fast swimmers, reaching speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, making them the fastest swimming penguin species. They build their nests on land, often using pebbles, sticks, and even bones to create a sturdy structure. The females typically lay 2 eggs, and both parents share the responsibility of incubation and chick rearing. Gentoo penguins are opportunistic feeders, with a diet that consists primarily of krill, but they will also eat squid, fish, and other small marine creatures. They are often seen porpoising, leaping out of the water while swimming, which is thought to help them breathe more efficiently and spot predators. During the breeding season, Gentoo penguin colonies are a flurry of activity, with penguins constantly coming and going, collecting nesting materials and caring for their young. The parents take turns incubating the eggs, keeping them warm against the cold ground. Once the chicks hatch, they are covered in a fluffy down that provides insulation but prevents them from entering the water. The parents take turns feeding and caring for their chicks, protecting them from predators like skuas and leopard seals. As the chicks grow older, they begin to molt their down feathers, replacing them with waterproof feathers that allow them to swim. The parents continue to feed and care for their offspring until they are around 3 months old. The Gentoo penguins' adaptability, their remarkable swimming abilities, and their dedicated parenting make them a truly fascinating species. Penguins, with their charming waddle and dapper attire, never fail to captivate our hearts. Beyond their endearing appearance lies a world of fascinating facts and peculiar habits. Did you know that penguins can drink salt water? They have special glands above their eyes to filter out excess salt. Penguins communicate using squawks, whistles, and brays. They use these sounds to interact with mates, chicks, and fellow penguins. Penguins have captured our imaginations in popular culture. From Happy Feet to Madagascar, they entertain audiences of all ages. Penguins survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. From Antarctica to the Galapagos, they thrive in diverse habitats. Penguins are incredibly agile swimmers. Their wings have evolved into flippers for swift underwater movement. Penguins are highly social animals living in large colonies. They live in colonies ranging from dozens to hundreds of thousands. Penguins are very protective of their young. Both parents incubate eggs and care for chicks. Despite their size, penguins are strong and agile. They use powerful muscles to propel through water and leap onto ice. Their waddling gait is energy efficient for long distances. Appreciate these fascinating creatures and their peculiar habits. As our journey through the incredible world of penguins comes to an end, We hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for these remarkable creatures. From the icy plains of Antarctica to the rocky shores of the sub-Antarctic islands, penguins have captivated our hearts with their resilience, their adaptability, and their unwavering commitment to their young. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed learning about penguins, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife documentaries. We're always working on new and exciting content, so stay tuned for more incredible journeys into the heart of nature. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet.